Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. But after today's price movement, certainly some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. Yes, those levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. The first key update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So the newest area of resistance now in the near term right here at the $15 mark. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, and if the bulls, like I said, try to consolidate out and work their way upwards, that first big test and the first big question is going to be, okay, well, how strong is the bounce? We'll just see how it reacts around 15. If it gets up to 15 and then just smashes right through it, well, at that point, that would be a valid thought to have. Hey, you know what? It's looking like this bounce has got quite a bit of true strength behind it. Or if the price just gets up there and gets smacked right back down, at that point, more than valid to think, it's looking like that might just be a dead cat bounce. So $15 will be very useful in that regard. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, initial level to watch going into Friday, going to be right there at 1390. And this is just basically the bottom portion of this area right here. So it's acted as support before. So good to see that it once again held up. In the event, though, that level does not quite hold up, the next key overarching level of support to keep an eye on would be down there around the $13.15 mark. So all in all, rough day today, bigger pullback, but from a big picture standpoint, let me squeeze on the chart. You can see that the trend does still have the opportunity to continue to chip away and build those higher bases. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.